the cheese, the grapefruit. Everybody love me. I got great juice. Like tablet, juice.
You texting Tanisha?
Yeah.
That party was bomb, man.
Yeah, that party was right, man. Why you
bro? What's up, man?
Why you ain't come to the party, man?
Hey, this guy. You don't want to know. What happened, bro?
If I ask you a question, obviously I want to know. That's why I asked you.
You don't want to know what happened, man.
Go ahead, tell us, man.
My dad didn't let me go.
What?
He ain't let me come out the house.
What you mean, let's go down?
You 15 years old, man.
You 15?
Still 15, bro. I'm 23 and I can't. Okay?
What happened, bro? What happened?
Oh, man. I was making my way out of the house, and I told him I was going to go to the house, and he just, it's like he popped up. He was sitting on the couch, and he popped up right at the door.
Them was supposed to be tripping, man. Them was supposed to be at the door.
He was right there.
I'll do that.
I'm going out tonight, so
I'm going out?
Yeah.
Go to my.
How did you even get out?
Guys. Go to my.
I'm 23, Dad. I'm going to sleep over at a friend's house.
Même 23, c'est ce wagon à poche.
You 23. You want to be 45? You want to be 65?
You know what?
You want to be an old guy?
Whatever. Qu'est-ce qu'il est là? Ou bien c'est sorti?
Avant, il me fait un rêve. La machine vient de faire un blow. Dis-moi. Ah, mais pas de problème. C'est là à prêter à cela. C'est là à prêter.
That's crazy. He was in the back of your car.
I told you, and I ran. I was gone.
So it's too bad. A robbery, Yo, this is your backseat like you was about to rob. It was speaking of robbery. My dad almost got robbed last night.
Damn.
What?
That's funny.
Where?
Is he dead? That's funny then.
My dad.
I
don't see how that's funny.
Okay.
No, he was with his friend, and it was walking down the street or the sidewalk or something. And he said the guy
Haitians and
Mon cher, attendez. Même dans l'église là, on est différents, elle donne. Maison fière.
Give me your money.
I'm what?
Give me your money. Okay, please. Just give me your money, man. Take it easy. I just want the money.
Take it easy.
It's the money, man.
I got the money right now.
Hey, man.
I got
Hey.
the money right
I
now.
just want your money.
I got the money.
What is that?
Right there. We got the money right there. Put it back. Méchant. C'est ça. Méchant. C'est ça. C'est ça. Yes. Yes.
Allez, donne-les.
Choose your destiny. Flawless victory. Choose your destiny. Flawless victory.